Good morning. Today we're at Hickory Canyons. We're going to hike through two box canyons, one on each side of Sprott Road. The first one is going to be a 1 mile loop trail. The second one shows only a quarter-mile trail into the canyon and back out, but actually there have been many more established trails since then, so we'll be able to get to the top of the waterfall, the top of the canyon, and then back around into the canyon itself, the bottom of the waterfall. This one we can't actually get into the canyon, but we could get all around the edges of it. We'll have several stream crossings. These are two of the best examples of box canyons for the Ozarks that I've found so far. Let's get hiking. So I was out here hiking a few weeks ago, right after 4 consecutive days of rain, and the streams and waterfalls were raging at that time. Crossing this stream went almost to my knees on that moss-covered rock. It was really sketchy. I have to say it was really pretty to see the waterfalls flowing over into the box canyons, but everything's kind of a trickle today on this hike, and it makes the stream crossing so much better. Okay, we're now at the canyon on the other side of Sprott Road. So you can see on this map, it just shows this little quarter-mile trail into the box canyon, but there are a lot more established trails than are on this map. We're going to kind of go this direction and around to the top of the box canyon, pick up that stream that flows over in a waterfall, skirt around this top edge of the box canyon, come down into the canyon, and then under the bluffs, back out to the car. So we can make a loop hike out of this. It's beautiful. This one actually is more spectacular than the one on the other side of the road. Let's get going. There were a lot more streams and waterfalls last time I was here, so I recommend, if that's what you're here to see, coming right after a good rain. And I mean, most of these are trickles, are dry today, but they were just really flowing heavy when I was here a few weeks ago. So I actually think it's more beautiful when it's trickling down than when it's just rushing over the top and spraying everywhere. I've been out here in the wintertime and it's a 35-foot frozen waterfall. I don't know if people have tried to climb that or not, but it's doable. I've seen it that thick before. It's quite beautiful. Okay, so Hickory Canyons is a beautiful hike. It's only a couple miles tops for both together. We're about an hour and a half outside of St. Louis. What I like to do to get a full day of hiking and then return home that evening is combine this with two other local parks that are quite close to here, Hahn State Park and Pickle Springs Conservation Area, natural area. So what I'll do is I'll go and just hike the Pickle Creek Trail at Hahn, which is under 2 miles out and back, and then I'll hike that Pickle Springs natural area, Trail Through Time, which is about 2 miles. And then head home. It's a beautiful day, and you'll feel it at the end of the day. So I recently did a video on both those hikes, and I'll post those here and here. I'm going to probably be in the middle, and they're going to be somewhere around here. So check those out if you'd like to build a full day of hiking in one day trip. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.